So your boy got on this vegan shirt because I went vegan for like 3 days and then I got hungry. Well, back to red meat. Can't do it. I can't do it, bro. That's a hard task. So for all the people who can, that's why I got this shirt on as support for y'all, because boy, that's a struggle, man. You give up everything. But listen, I made this video to show y'all a strategy y'all can use, right, to potentially make $500 per day. Is that possible, Jeremy? Yes, it's possible, bro. If you study your charts, you feel me? Because I just made $500 today, and I want to show y'all how I did it right after this intro.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. I'm lit today because I made $500, but I want to show y'all what I did and how I made that, you feel me? So before you watch this video, like this video, make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also drop your Cash App, your PayPal, your Payoneer, whatever you got, just drop that thing, man. And I'm starting to do 2 giveaways a month, 1 to 2 giveaways a month. So February's coming up, so I know it's another giveaway coming up. All right, so make sure you drop your Cash Apps with a cool little comment. Follow you on Instagram, all that good stuff. But man, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I want y'all to see it, so let's get into this video. So right now, guys, you are looking at your boy in profit. You know why? I know you see the shark out of the water. I know you see it. Hey, but guess what the RSI is though? Let's see if it let me show. Because y'all know once that RSI get up there to that 70 mark, it's about 74. So look at that. It ain't trying to let me show y'all, but y'all know. Shark out of the water, that 70 mark, profit. All right. So it's giving me a little retracement right now. But as you know, we about to be in profit. Now, how am I able to be in profit on like 1 pip? Because look at the lot size. Yeah, remember when I was telling y'all, you can raise that lot size and you'll be in profit, right? A lot faster or a lot more. And that's just when you have, you know, a bigger account to be able to hold it. All right. So down 85 smacks, not too much. We're not worried about that because we know it's going in profit, baby. We already know what's going on. So why did I take this trade, guys? Why did I take it? Now, I really am mad because I low-key missed my opportunity to buy earlier and I didn't wake up fast enough. So, you know, check this out. This right here, sometimes we trade off the M's and the W's, all right? So if you're in my training, then you know, right? I know y'all see this W right here. I know y'all see it. So check this out. Market comes out the Asian session, drops down. First leg, if the first leg of the W is in the shadow box, then it's game time, right? You see that shadow box pop up, we know, okay, the W is about to form. And it's inside the stop put zone, so we know, all right? So you drop down, boom, all right? You go up here, right here. I know y'all see this W. Check this out. And then we always trade the second leg of the W. All right, so we would have rolled this all the way up. I just missed this though. This is the part I just missed right here. All right, so since I missed it, I said, okay, well, I tell my people immediately after the W, the market goes down. And then also I lined that up with the shark out of the water. You know what I mean? You see the RSI is at 75 right now. 75. I know y'all can see that in that little box. So I lined that up. Okay, with the shark out of the water, RSI is at 75. It's coming down. Let's get in. That's what I did. Raise that lot size. That's how confident I was. I did a 5 standard lot. You know what I mean? And this is what it is. You know what I mean? So easy money. Literally just, you know, woke up and got it in. Cause I feel like you got to. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get it in. But you know. So we just y'all gonna see these profits rise, baby. I'm gonna try to see if I can get another 1,000 out of this, man. If I can, we can get it to 4,000, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so that's the W. We always trade the second leg of it, so I could have got in somewhere around here, rolled it up, which would have been great because it was moving. It was moving real good. Real quick, let me see if I can find an M. Right. Oh, okay, yeah. So let me zoom in over here. All right, let me zoom over here. All right, so check this out. I'll give you an example of the M, because I know y'all saw a little bit of what I did here. See, I be reading these markets. As I said, when you study the market enough, you can read it. And yes, I did take money from my credit card and put it in this account when I first started. I always do that. I don't use my own money. I use the bank's money. Okay. But people were wondering, like, how did you do that? Well, this is what I do. I have a Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card that I can link to my Cash App, right? So I type in $1,000 on Cash App and I send it to my wife, because it won't let me add the cash straight from my card to my Cash App. So I have to send it to my wife first. Okay. So I send it to her first, and then she sends it back to me. Now they do charge me like a $30 fee for taking it off the card that way, but that's fine. It doesn't matter, because you see the balance. Like, put $1,000 in up to 3,000. So I mean, we've already made that back, and that's what I do, right? And I after she sends it back to me, I can then send it to Bitcoin in Cash App, and then take that money from the Bitcoin and then send it to Trader's Way to fund my account. That's how I do it. Or you can do Coinbase. I do Coinbase as well. So sometimes I might just send the money straight to my bank account from my card, or through Cash App, send it to my wife, cash it out to my bank. Just a bunch of different stuff, but it works. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm able to use the bank's money on 0% interest credit cards, right? That's what I recommend. No interest credit cards, and you're good to go. All right. So let me give you an example, guys, of the M, right? So came out the Asian session, boom, first leg, well, second leg in the shadow box, so you know it's game time. All right. So right here, M, boom, right here, drop, comes up, M, and then this is the second leg of the M. I know y'all see it. So this is the part we would trade, the second leg of the M. Okay, sometimes you got to train your eyes to see it. Now sometimes the M's and W's won't be perfect. I say it all the time, but if I would have got in right here, I could have rolled it all the way down, and I missed it. But remember, I even say that in my trainings. Okay, immediately after the M, the market goes up, and immediately after the W, the market goes down. If you don't believe me, look. Even when I showed you, immediately after this W, the market goes down. So that's why I got in right here. Immediately after this M over here, the market went up right here. So, I mean, it's just stuff, like I said, I noticed. I have a ton of strategies. I got a ton of strategies. I don't have to sell you a course or nothing. I mean, you can buy it if you want to. That's just completely up to you. You know what I mean? Like, but look, for those of you who are getting income tax money, invest some of it in Forex, all right? But be smart. Learn the markets first. I don't want you to just invest it because you'll blow your account. Invest it, and when you're ready to, when you feel like you're ready to go live, go ahead and invest that thing, all right? And so that's what I recommend. So we'll let the market do its thing for a little bit, and let me see if I can show you guys anything else. But that's one of the main reasons I took this trade, was because I saw the W, so I knew immediately after that the market comes down. Also, I saw the shark out of the water, the RSI is in the 70 mark, so I know that's coming down. All right, and then that was the setup right there. Remember that perfect setup in the last video when I was talking about James and Chris? Those are the perfect setups that I'm talking about. When you see those, it's game time. Right, it's time to hop in there and make money. That's how we do. And I literally just opened my laptop. All right, so I'm gonna let this do its thing. I'm gonna pause it and come back when I'm in profit. All right, and as you can see, guys, in profit, $500. And guess what? I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll take my 500 even. That brings my balance to 3,600, and that's how you compound. You feel me? I know it's gonna drop some more. I know I can trail and stop. I can do all that, but My motto is take your money. That's it. Take your bread. Stop playing in these markets. When you're in profit, just take it. I know I can get more, but I ain't gonna be greedy. Take your money and compound. That's it. This account, like I said, I should be around 4,000 here pretty soon. I'm done trading for the day because 500 was good enough for the day. You think about that? Come on, man. Y'all know I gotta go to the handy dandy. 500 a day. And like I say, guys, when you able to raise those lot sizes, it helps you tremendously. But you got to know what you're doing, because you could also kill your account, just to throw that out there. But look, like I said, I don't trade with my own money. I trade with the bank's money. That's how I roll. I make money off of them, pay them their little bit back, keep the rest, and I keep, flipping that. But, 500, let's say I only trade for, 2 hours. Boom, 1,000. So 1,000 for 3 days. Let's say, well, we know that's 3,000. So we'll just do 3,000. We do that times 4 equals 12,000 a month, guys. $12,000 a month. Can you do it? It's possible, especially when you start raising those lots. But listen, guys, it's all about being patient. It's all about studying the markets. Like, I literally see setups all day long, and then I could just hop in, make money, and hop out. You say I make it look easy, that's because I study the markets. Like I said, if you already in my training group, just follow the trainings accordingly. They work. You'll start to train your eyes to see it. It'll become so just in your face that you'll be able to trade. Just like in the last video when I was saying how James and Chris, they saw the perfect setup. Chris couldn't get in because he didn't have no money. James used the bank money. He was able to get in on that perfect setup. Like what I just showed you was a perfect setup, and I know that it would keep going down. But I don't hold my trades as long as most people, because I believe in let me get in, get out. That's how I'm able to win more trades than I lose. You know what I mean? Like, I don't have to be in front of my computer. Like, when I paused it, I was talking to my wife, trying to buy her Chanel bags and stuff. You know how women is. But trying to buy her bags and stuff. So I was kicking it and chilling. Look back at it. It was in profit. I said, let me go ahead and unpause it so I could show them, $500 for the day. Easy money, guys. So with that being said, giveaway time is getting close. It's almost February, so y'all know what time it is. But other than that, guys, I will see you in another video. Let's get it.